Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Khizra and today I'm going to show you a festival look which is so easy to achieve. So, first you have to tie your hair cause if you don't tie your hair it will mess with you. For makeup we are going to start with none other than our primer. So for primer I'm gonna say if you want to use silicone base it is good, if you want to use a cream base that is also good, and if you want to use a water base that it is also very good. So whatever suits you, just use it. And here I'm using Huda Beauty primer which is silicone base, and yeah, I know it's little bit expensive but you can also use affordable. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means a lot to me, guys. And after applying it all over your face, you just have to that whatever you are applying, just apply it correctly and it just absorb and it just gonna blur your pores. So please apply it correctly. Otherwise that will be nothing. You can apply it all over your face or just your T-zone, or other than like you have, if you have like large pores, open pores, so just apply it there. If you don't need it, just apply it little bit where you need it. So for foundation, our second step is foundation. So foundation I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me. You can use any foundation which suits you, which is right shade of your color. So here I am using Maybelline Fit Me, that suits me, and this is so perfect foundation, and this is like blessing. Like I just love Maybelline. I'm not promoting, I'm just giving my honest opinion. You can apply foundation by your fingers and just blend it with beauty blender or a brush, whatever suits you, whatever best for you. So I'm not here, I'm just giving you some advice and some tips. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for foundation you have to apply all over your face, with your neck and with your ear also. Don't forget to apply it on your ears and your neck. Never forget to blend it so properly. Like blending is the key. Whatever you use beauty blender, you use your fingers, you use your hands, you use a brush, just blend it so properly so it just look like your skin, just look like a layers to your skin. It will not look like your skin as it is, but it will give you a coverage, like it will look you like a layer. It provides you a layer. So just follow my tips and blend it so properly. Like blending is the key. Believe me, if you will blend it properly, your base will gonna look so sophisticated, so classy, and it will not be cakey and disgusting like I used to say. For blush I'm again using this same brush and I'm again blending so properly. So today I'm using contouring with blush. Like it's a new thing I learned, so I thought I should try it. It's like you have to apply a cream blush. If you are applying it over your foundation, you have to apply cream blush. So after that you have to blend it and it will look like you have contour your face, but with your blush it will contour your face with blush, and it will, you now after that you don't have to use contour, it will give you like contour effect also. So in this also, for cream brush, here you have to blend it so properly, otherwise it will not look good. It will not give you a contour thing. It will look like you just have applied a blush all over your face. So for blush for after blush I'm using powder. I'm using here Lakme 925. It has SPF 40. So for setting my face I'm using powder. For after setting you will realize like this is looking like a contour. This is not looking like a you have applied blush all over your face and you are looking so disgusting. You will look good after, believe me. So again I'm setting my face with face powder. So here I'm using this powder because it has SPF, and for festival look you can use a day, and if it is night time you can skip this part and you can use normal face powder or loose powder. So after blending you can easily see that it is like a contour thing. And forget about my face, that's I just make. And again I am building it, so I'm just showing it to you so that you can understand, like blending is the key, and you just have to blend, you just have to be so patient with you, and be gentle with you. That is your face, you have to love it, and you have to blend it so properly, otherwise this will not look good, and you will end up like you are looking not good, and you will lose your confidence also. As you can clearly see that I have blended properly, and again I'm setting my under eyes with same powder which I used all over my face, my neck, my ear also. And you can use same powder as your eye base also. You have to just apply it over your eyes, and that will give you a nice base. After setting your face with loose powder or compact powder in which you are comfortable, here I am using compact powder for my face, and as you can see that I have set it all over, and that is looking like flawless. And I know it has a little bit acne on my face. Here I'm using a contour brush for contouring my face, and I'm just cleaning all the extra blush and giving myself contour, and I'm using here a concealer that is Maybelline Fit Me, and just highlighting my point and giving my face a shape, which is really important, because you cannot just apply things all over your face, you just have to be limited your things. And I'm here blending it with sponge. You can use sponge or brush in which you are comfortable. And for this part I was comfortable with my sponge. And for eyes I'm using in palette, Morphe palette. So this is my one of the best palette, and I just love this palette also. So here I'm using first color of the corner for my base, and I'm just setting my base, my eye base, and I'm again blending it so properly, just to blending properly. It will not look like or not will it will not remove from your eyes. So also I'm setting again my under eyes, because I haven't used like loose powder, I just use a face powder. So if you can skip that part, like setting your under eyes, if you are using like baking step. So again I'm using a little bit brown shade for highlighting my eye eyelid, just giving a dimension to my eyelid. I'm using brown color for my eyes, both eyes I'm applying same, and I'm giving a dimension, and I'm using a little bit shimmery light shade again for my inner corner, inner lid, sorry, inner lid, and giving myself a little bit shimmer. Like you can use a shimmer, light shimmer for day, and you can also use a little bit darker shimmer for your night if you want. And here I'm using Mars eyeliner, and it is in color blue, navy blue, and it is a liner, and you can apply it your eyelid first, and just apply it a thin line both in your eyes, and just blend it, and it will give you a little bit smoky look, but not too much smoky look. So here I'm again applying it to my second eye, and I'm just for eyeliner, if you know me a little bit, you know that I am very careful for my eyeliner, because this is the part where I messed a lot, and now these are looking so good, and I'm feeling so proud of myself. If you also feel So please never forget to appreciate yourself. And I'm using here using Maybelline palette, Maybelline nude palette, and this is the one of the best palette. And if you are beginner and you want to invest in good palette, just go for it. This is the best palette I have. And here I'm using a darker shimmery shade for just giving my eyelids a little bit smokiness, and also applying it up my waterline, so it doesn't look like I haven't applied anything yet. So, and also I'm trying to smudge it as much as I can, so it will look like smoky, and doesn't look like you have applied eyeliner. It will look like you have applied eyeshadow, and just you give a smokiness to your eyes. And I'm using it in my inner corner also, just to apply properly, so it will give you a great smokiness. And I'm also using, for more pigment, I'm also using a eyeshadow. It is from Morphe again, and you can apply from brush, and it's a blending brush, and you can just apply it a little bit, and just never forget to dust your excess amount. And I'm I'm just overing on my eyeliner and smudging it and giving a false wing look, so that it looks like smokiness with a false wing, and give you a nice wing also. So just apply it so properly, and always check and apply so carefully, otherwise it will get mess. Just be patient with you, as I used to say. And I'm also applying it in my lower lash, just half, cause it doesn't mess with my inner eyes and just don't get watery and blow everything up. So I'm just using in my half lower lash, and you can also use it for giving you a open eye effect. And also you can use it for your eyeliner. And I'm here creating a wing, just a false wing with the eyeshadow same color, just smudging out, giving you a little bit winged. And as you can see that I have completed look, and this is giving me a wing. So for eyebrows I'm using here Maybelline in last second row ka second color, and has a little bit grayish and blackish color, which is perfect for my eyebrows. First you have to comb your eyebrows, just set it out, and like you have to just brush it all over your eyebrows, and just be in place, and just you have to feel like there is some space, so it will look like fuller, most fuller. And do not try to over it, otherwise it will look so oh, overrated, and it will look so dramatic and not give you a natural look. So yeah, I'm just filling my eyebrows just a little bit. And for my lips I'm here using in color nude color light lip liner for my highlighting my lips, for giving a shape. And for lipstick I'm using here 9 to 5 Lakme. It's a prime lipstick, and it is so beautiful. Its color is so wine and so good, and it has matte texture, which is, and with also cream texture. So for applying lipstick I'm using here again a brush for my lipstick. And for using brush, it just minimize the amount and give you a nice coverage and even layer. It will not like just so layer it so well. And here you can easily see that I build a lot color by using brush. And for my eyelashes I'm again here using Maybelline mascara. And you have, for a mascara, you just start from your lower lashes to inner. And if you don't want to cling it, so just start from your outer lash to the inner, and it will give you a nice a nice lashes. And your lashes will look so openly open, and also give you a volume, a nice volume, so it will look like false lashes without applying falsies. And never forget to apply it on your lower lashes, that's also very important. For mascara, here you can easily see that I have applied it so properly, and by using that trick you can also apply it so properly. And here I wear a biba kurta. It is a tunic, by the way. And I paired with jhumkas and some bangles, and this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.